First, we weigh our cake flour and sugar. Exact measurements ensure a perfect sponge. Melt the cream cheese, butter, and milk together. Stir until it's completely smooth and creamy.
Start with smooth, rich cream cheese. Add fresh, golden egg yolks. Whisk until perfectly glossy. Sift in the finest cake flour. Velvety cheese and rich yolks unite. Flawless, pure egg whites are isolated. A rapid whip builds the foundation until thick, glossy, soft peaks emerge.
We begin with fresh egg whites and fine sugar, whipped to a perfect, glossy, soft peak, then gently fold it into our velvety cream cheese. This creates that iconic, airy texture.
First, we line the pan and brush it with butter. Then, pour in that smooth batter of cream cheese and sugar. Tap it gently to release any air bubbles. Finally, add the eggs and bake in a gentle water bath.
Crafted with the finest, simplest ingredients, it slowly rises to airy perfection. Behold, the perfect golden top, fluffy, pure, and ready to enjoy.
This delicate masterpiece is made with fresh cream cheese, whisked egg whites, and a touch of fine sugar, baked to create a cloud-like texture that simply melts in your mouth.
Wow, it really does melt in your mouth.